I've been able to take my workouts to the next level after getting the Whoop 5.0. It's a fitness tracker that gave me a clear strategy for reaching my goals. I picked the Whoop Peak 5.0 plan and stuck with it for 30 days since it offers exactly what I need. And now it's time for my Whoop 5.0 review so that you can know whether this is the best health tracker for you. And if you want to try this device for yourself, you can get my special deal using this QR code or the link in the description. Okay, so what is Whoop 5.0 exactly? Basically, it's a gadget that helps you track your overall fitness, sleep, fitness progress, recovery status, and more. So you wear it on your wrist or your guns if you have the Whoop bicep band, and it tracks your vitals while giving you insights through the mobile app. So if you grab the Peak plan like I did, first and foremost, you get this small, lightweight device and the default Whoop band to strap it to your wrist. It's really compact and it weighs just 26.5 grams. Despite this, the battery lasts up to 2 weeks, and you can charge it without removing it by using this wireless power pack. Both the device and the power pack are IP68 water resistant, meaning they can survive up to 1.5 meters underwater for about 30 minutes. So whether you're doing the dishes or taking a shower or going for a swim with the Whoop, it's not gonna break or short circuit. All right, so going back to the Whoop device, on the bottom, you're gonna see these PPG sensors, which capture various readings from your body. PPG stands for, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. These sensors use LED lights to measure your core body metrics in a non-intrusive way. Here's how it works. Some parts of your body absorb the light while others reflect it, and that's how Whoop figures out how to measure everything. The most important metrics that Whoop tracks are heart rate, skin temperature, and muscular load. This information is the foundation that allows the service to extrapolate a bunch of other data about your overall health. Continuously tracking all these metrics lets you see how your body feels when working out or sleeping or resting. So far, I've been talking about Whoop Peak, but that's just my preferred membership plan since it offers everything I need without being too overwhelming. But if you want something simpler, you can start with the One plan. It comes with either a Whoop 4.0 or 5.0 device, depending on your region. It doesn't include the wireless power pack and instead uses old school USB charging. Still, the plan does have great core functionality, allowing you to monitor your recovery, sleep, and strain scores. You can also use it as a step tracker when jogging or hiking. The device also comes with women's hormonal insights, but that's not something that I can comment about because, hello. And if you're serious about cardio, you're going to appreciate the included VO2 max and heart rate zone monitoring features that show you the intensity level of your current workout. All right, moving up to the Whoop Peak 5.0 plans, my personal favorite. This one includes the latest Whoop devices as standard. And besides all the things that come with one, Peak gives you insights into your health span and Whoop age. You can compare your chronological age with your physiological age as indicated by your vitals. Naturally, you're going to get tips on how to improve your score and pace of aging. And to complement this, Peak includes stress and health monitor features that give you deeper insight into the metrics that affect your well-being. And the third and the highest tier is Life, which in addition to everything from Peak includes Whoop MG, heart screener with ECG, irregular heart rhythm notifications, and blood pressure insights. All of that seems a little too advanced for me. I'm not an Olympic level athlete yet. But if you're part of a team that's training for a high-level competition, you'll be happy to hear that Whoop has family plans. That way you can split the bill and track your health scores together. So whatever your plans are, I do have a special deal that you can access using this QR code or the link below. The offer includes a 1-month Whoop trial, a lifetime warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, it's clear that the Whoop band can do a bunch of impressive things, but while I was doing my hands-on Whoop review, I was mainly interested in just a few things, really. For example, one of my priorities was fixing my sleep, and without a dedicated tracker, it can be kind of hard to determine whether you're actually getting enough rest or you're feeling sluggish for some other reason. With Whoop, I was able to get my sleep back on track because it showed me just how effective a consistent schedule actually is. Basically, I could see on which days I was getting enough REM and deep sleep and when I was just wasting my time. Next, the stress monitor made me realize that I've been stressing out far more than I'd like to admit. The tracker allowed me to see which days were the most problematic and needed adjusting. And luckily, Whoop wasn't just, pointing out an issue and doing nothing. It actually gave me personalized breathwork exercises that helped me manage my stress and stay zen and calm down. Now, everyone knows that you need to take a day or two off after a workout to recover. Still, this general rule doesn't always apply, and so Whoop helped me to optimize recovery after my gym sessions and exhausting workouts. I got greater insights into how fast I can recover and how to improve my recovery speed so that I can get back on track faster if I do the right things. But at the end of the day, all these improvements wouldn't have been possible without Whoop's AI coach. It reviewed all my metrics and gave me a plan of action in simple terms. So Whoop wasn't just a highlight reel of all my health problems, it also gave me suggestions on how to fix those issues. Now, with the Whoop Health Tracker review aside, what makes this service different from other fitness trackers out there? Well, firstly, the device adapts to you by taking all your personal metrics into context. And the longer you use it, the better it can serve your specific needs. And if you wear it 24/7, Whoop can easily gather enough data to provide you with personalized insights to help you address any ailment. For me, wearing it around the clock was really no trouble since the band is really lightweight and comfortable. Barely even noticed it when I'm busy doing stuff. Next, the service's privacy policy ensures that your personal data stays just between you and Whoop. The company promises never to share your data with third parties, and they're ready to fight in court if that's what it takes to protect your privacy. Naturally, Whoop releases frequent software updates and improvements to ensure your tracker provides the best possible insights. And all of these updates are described on Whoop's blog, which is overflowing with research-backed health and fitness tips. So that's my Whoop 5.0 review. Be sure to like the video and leave a comment on whether you'd pick up this gadget over other fitness trackers. See you soon. Bye.